Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are delving into the brand of Masque Milano. This is my second blind buy from the brand, second fragrance in my collection, of course. It all started with Russian tea from the brand. If you haven't checked out any of my videos on Russian tea, please do. It was a smash hit to my nose, but it's been a few years since that unboxing of this particular release, and I've heard a lot of great things about Tango. So this is my second fragrance of the line blind buy. Again, this Parfumier Cécile Zarokian. I have limited experience with her fragrances, but she is a nose I'd like to delve more into her creation. So I basically chose Tango because of a few things. No breakdown. I hear it's an ambery fragrance that's right up my alley. Probably not good for this spring, but I love just delving and discovering. And of course the nose behind it. That was one of the major factors to smell this particular release from Masque Milano. This is a brand that I would like to go maybe 3, 4, maybe even 5 fragrances deep in the collection if they continue to do hits like this. I may start sampling now because I think Russian tea and this one were the big hits. But again, that's what you guys, you know, you're watching me, but I'm watching the comments below because you guys can tell me some great suggestions from the brand. So start typing while you're watching. So before we start unboxing, I'd like to thank our sponsor of the day, FragranceX.com. I want to take time to thank them that you can get a bottle of Tango and a lot of Masque Milano fragrances on their site. Check out FragranceX and support me by utilizing my coupon code on their website, ROBES08. It's my channel name. You can't forget it, and you get 15% off your purchase. It helps me, helps you, all love. Now let's get into Tango. Let's delve into it. Let me delve into this brand, and I'm really excited about this release or this unboxing. I'm sorry about the noise, but I really want to, oh, look at that juice color. Pop. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. So, Tango, the notes are on here, bergamot, black pepper, cardamom, jasmine, rose, cumin, patchouli, vanilla, amber, leather, benzoin, and musks. So let's delve into it. Let's sniff this one. I love all the detail in these bottles. They're absolutely gorgeous. However, you're only getting 35 mils, I believe, on these little bottles. So let's delve into it. Let's smell it. And it is my scent. Oh, that ambery accord is just already dancing. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, spicy amber. Just the way I like them. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lot. It's heavy on the cumin. There's cumin, there's rose. It's a spicy amber, so the cumin's there. There's some light earthy touches here. The cumin is slightly animalic here, so it has that sweaty accord that a lot of people may not like, so fair warning to you, at least in this introduction. That's what I'm getting. The amber accord is very dusty, dense, resinous. The sweetness is not a vanillic, but it has a very much an ambery backbone to some heavy spice. Now the cumin is bringing it down a little bit, so it might be just a very faint, and then cumin honestly on my skin jumps in fragrances. Sometimes it stays, sometimes it doesn't. On this release right now, it just blended right away. You know, it was one of the first things that I got, as you can tell, and then it just went zoom. So rose, I don't want to say heavy on the cumin anymore. I kind of want to say like light on the cumin, a little bit. Spicy amber, light earthy touches here. Warm, rich, obviously has some sweetness because there's some vanillic portions here. Yeah, I like this. This is right up my wheelhouse. It is honestly nothing new in the fragrance game. Like ambery fragrances, I have 5 dozen, maybe even more. I may make a top 100 amber based fragrances, no joke. It is one of my favorite notes or accords of all time, just because it's in so many fragrances. It's a backbone to a lot of fragrances. It can give you different things, but this one right here, nothing new, but something well done. And there is some certain things that are new, as far as you know, the amber accord, nothing new here. Beautiful though. Reminds me of some of the best in the game. But I really like that cumin touch that I had up top. I don't know, I lost it just like that. Rosy touch is really nice. Is there rose? Yeah, there's rose in here. And spice, a little bit of a powdery aspect here now that it's mellowing. Yeah, the amber, it's kind of giving you that powderiness now. Yeah. So soft, cozy, ambery, resinous. It's not... Right now, I feel like this fragrance isn't a big pusher. Like, I have some amber-based fragrances that are very, can I say, really dark, really big and bold. This goes into the tamer section of things, but at the same time still having that resinous quality, if that makes sense. It really tones it down. I'm trying to think of an amber that does Ambre 114, but you still have the parfum, kinda. You know, I just talked about Ambre Lou from Rania J. I feel like that one is a little more deep, dense, and a little more growl to it than this one. I feel like this is more of a... It's good though. It's really good. So Tango, yeah, worth the hype train. I really like this one. On to the next from the brand of Masque Milano. I love this one. Russian tea's excellent. So I can't wait to delve into this release a lot more into the future. And again, another Cecile in my collection is always a good thing. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. What do you think about Tango? And what are ones that you would suggest as my third bottle of the collection? I might sample the third one. I might sample 2 or 3. Might as well. And yeah, Tango's a good one. So as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent, especially an ambery one, wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube.